Now, welcome to Instructor Victor tutorial. This is the series 002 of the engineering mathematics. Now, here we have what we call solution of a differential equation, and we are given an equation here to solve. Now, we are asked to show that y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is a solution of the differential equation. Whenever you hear or you see DE, it means differential equation. Y prime prime plus y equal to 0. Now, before I start solving this equation, I would like to let you know the solution of a differential equation, what it means. Now, when we talk about the solution of a differential equation, we see that this is a function that satisfies the equation at all points in the domain of that function. Now, to make this look more simple or look more clearer to you, we have what we call the general solution and a particular solution. Now, how do you differentiate a general solution and a particular solution? A general solution are those solutions that does not satisfy a given boundary or initial condition. Just as you see here on the board, we are just giving a equation to show that a cos x plus b sin x is a solution of the differential equation. If you look here, you see that we are not giving any other value or any other condition to follow. Now, a general solution is a solution that satisfies or that gives us or that has an arbitrary constant depending on the order of the differential equation. One thing you should know about is that whenever you solve you find the solution of this differential equation and you see arbitrary constants such as a and b, it is a general solution. It is a general solution. But for a particular solution, this is a solution that satisfies a given boundary or initial condition. Such solution does not have an arbitrary constant such as a and b, because at a point they will give you a condition whereby a is to a certain number and b is to a certain number, and you ask to find your constants. Now, how do we solve this? We are asked to show that y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is a solution of the differential equation y prime prime plus y equal to 0. Solution. Now, solution to this question, I want to give you the standard steps in solving this kind of question, especially in engineering mathematics, so that you won't lose your mark. Now, for you to start solving this question, you have to check for what you are given. Given that given y prime prime plus y is equal to 0. Now, we are required to show that y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is a solution of the differential equation y prime prime plus y equal to 0. Now, how do you start solving this? For you to know if this is your answer, or if y prime prime plus y is equal to 0, we already have a solution of y. Now, how do we find our solution of y prime prime, which is the square y all over the x square? Therefore, we are going to differentiate until we reach y prime prime. At least this will be second differentiation. Now, let us call this given problem equation 1. Now, let us differentiate. I'm sure by now you already know the differentiation of trigonometric function. Now, if you differentiate cos x, you're going to be having minus a sin x, plus if you differentiate sin x, you have cos x. So your constant remains there, b cos x. You call this your equation 2. Now, we've not reached the y prime prime. So we are going to differentiate again to get y prime prime. Now we have here to be y prime prime, which is another derivative of this particular word function, or this particular differentiation. Now when we differentiate this, the answer we get now becomes our y prime prime. Now differentiate sine x. Sine x will give us cos x, but don't forget that we have minus here already, which will give us minus a cos x. And then if you differentiate cos x here, this plus will change, because when you differentiate cos x, you have minus sine x. So we are going to be having minus b sine x. This will be our equation 3. Now class, we are asked to what? To show that y prime prime plus y is equal to 0. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to what? Carry y prime prime, add it to what? Y, and see if it will give us a 0. Then if it gives us 0, that means this what? This particular problem given here is a solution of the differential equation y prime prime plus y equal to 0. Now let us go and do that. Now y prime prime here is what? Is minus a cos x minus b sine x, and then this is for our y prime prime. Now you now put your plus your y. These are the value of your y. The value of your y is a cos x plus b sine x. Now let us check if this will give us a 0. Now if you have minus a cos x plus a cos x, this will cancel. It will give us a 0. Just like saying 1 minus 1, it will give us a 0. Minus b sine x plus b sine x, this will cancel and give us a 0. Now this shows that a cos x plus b sine x is a solution of the what? Differential equation y prime prime plus y, because at the end we added y prime prime plus what? Y, and we got what? 0. And therefore this is a general solution. Don't forget, it has an what? Arbitrary constant. It has an arbitrary constant. I have to write it. It is a solution of y prime prime plus y equal to 0. Now you now write this is a general solution. So, and with this you are done solving your what? Your equation. Now we are going on another question which will involve us in a particular solution. So I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and anticipate my next class. Thank you for watching. Bye.